Lynn, Mommy and Daddy will go out tonight to have dinner.
Is that okay?
Is it okay?
Is that okay?
No.
Why not? Hey, it's only for tonight. Celine, it's only for tonight. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Love this bag. This goes with everything. Pang date night. Then, pag nasa labas na kami, I wear like this. How do you feel?
Turned on.
Good morning, guys. Say good morning. Say morning, guys.
Apples.
It is our official first day here in Byron Bay. Nagising kami ni Baby Celine. Wala si Daddy Mike sa tabi namin. So, you know na. Sobrang aga umalis pumunta ng beach. I'm not sure kung dinala niya si Ate Paris. Kasi Ate Paris ay sa baba natulog with Lola Karen. Kakabihis ko lang ng bambam nito kasi nagpupo. Nak na. Did you pupo lang? Smelly?
No.
No? Are you sure? Hindi ko maipakita yung mukha ko, guys, kasi nagkamuta-muta pa tayo, guys. Ito na lang muna ako kasi I woke up like this. I woke up like this. So, ito yung aming view. Wala, ang mga kagamitan. Ayan! So, andito kami sa taas. So, see all the coconut ba yan? Nako. Just char-char. Ay, shushu! Ay, shushu! Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Agoy ako. Agay. What's your name?
Nini.
Lini. How old is Lini?
One.
One.
Anna.
I love you.
Anna.
Kaya si Mama.
No.
Kaya si Mama. Mama, nag-send na si Daddy Mike sa amin ng photo. Nag-coffee na siya, guys. Andun siya sa beach.
Mama.
Kami, bababa na kami kasi ano na rin kami. Agay.
Mama.
Breakfast na rin kami. Hoy, Didi, you already had Didi taka raka, oy. Who is that? You didn't go with Daddy lang?
Huh?
You didn't go with Daddy?
Where's Sarah now?
Good morning, Princess.
Where's Sarah?
Close up. Hang on, we'll fix the bed first.
Where's Sarah now?
Huh? Take that one out. Oh, we'll fix the bed. See? Have a look at the bed. It's messy.
Where's Sarah?
Daddy went out. I thought you were with him. Oh, that's alright. Yeah, he'll come home soon. Do you want this? Keep you warm?
No. Mama, baby.
I'm asking at the Paris man.
Mama, baby.
I'm a baby. Yeah, Theo. Go. Oh, did you just wake up? Oh. Did you have a good sleep? Gawin ang ating... What can you see?
Amo.
Animal? What kind of animal?
Pink.
Pig!
Yeah.
Daan man dyan yan, no? Let's go down. We'll have breakfast. 1, 2, 3. We'll go down now. Go, ate.
Ati?
Ate?
Ati.
Say, let's go have breakfast. Say, let's go have breakfast. Say, Ate, we'll have breakfast now. You have to be gentle with Ate lang. Because Ate just woke up. Come on. Come na. See you, Lin. Orange. Good girls. Careful. Whoop. Whoop. You didn't were in bed? Then Daddy took you out then. Good morning. Habu. Habu. Oh. Gotcha. You want yogurt, Lin? Nini?
Yogurt? And then, my personal favorites.
Yogurt and strawberries for breakfast.
No, Mommy.
What no, Mommy?
Mom.
You can't say no.
No.
You can't say no.
No.
Yes, my love. Well, yeah, just have this one.
No.
Have your vitamins. Come here.
Hello.
Are you cleaning again? Lulu.
Cleaning.
It's Lola.
Cleaning.
For Ate Paris and this for Celine.
You're Fergie. Or you only Beatrice or Eugenie?
And
Mommy's
vitamins.
Fergie.
Oh, Mommy. All the women. It's Mommy.
Is that?
See, Daddy. Mama, see. What did you say?
Boo!
See, Daddy.
It's a daddy!
See, Daddy.
Daddy looks great. And Nene. What's in here? Boo boo?
Show Aunty's boo boo.
Oh no, have you got boo boo, Ate?
Yeah.
Show Mommy.
From the pool?
Yeah.
Mommy?
I can say boo.
How did it happen? Last night?
It was jumping. Guess what, Paris?
What?
Tonight, Mummy and Daddy are going on a date.
No.
Huh?
I know.
Oh, it's gonna be really special. And you're not coming.
I know.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah?
Good girl.
But who are you gonna stay with?
Oh, Karen.
That's right. And Mummy and Daddy are gonna be good.
Yeah? First time, Mom and Daddy will go to dinner by ourselves.
Without you two munchkins.
Mommy? Okay.
Little Karen will look after you for a couple of hours.
You girls are gonna have a lot of fun.
Sometimes when I'm not, when a cousin's not with you, sometimes the moms and dads call one of the cousins to come over to protect the kids.
That's right.
Lynn, Mommy and Daddy will go out tonight to have dinner.
Is that okay?
Is it okay?
Is that okay?
No.
Why not? Hey, it's only for tonight. Celine, it's only for tonight. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thanks, Lini. Thank you, Ate.
Mommy,
Thank you so much.
I'm trying to make a bubble.
He's so good that you...
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 12 and mommy's now ready. Nakapag-bis na, nakapag-mook up na. O, diba? Bongga. So, si Ate Paris natin tsaka yung lola niya, they went for a walk para bumili ng kape. So, we just wait for them and then alis na kami. So, itinerary today, pupunta kami ng Lennox Head. See if we can do like whale watching. Hopefully, my whale. Daddy! Oh my God, baby sila. Nasa balcony sila. And we will take Mike's mom to the lighthouse again, yung pinuntahan natin last time. So, yeah, very exciting. And then, as mentioned before, tonight, uwi kami dito sa accommodation namin. Tapos, Daddy Mike and I will go out for dinner, just the two of us. Oh my God. I can't wait, guys. I'm super excited. Never ever nangyari before na kami ni Daddy Mike dalawa lumabas for dinner without the kids kasi the kids are always with us. And for me kasi guys, ewan ko lang ha, I don't feel comfortable like getting like a nanny para magbantay sa mga anak ko. And it's perfect timing kasi nandito yung mom niya for a few hours, at least like couple of hours na mag-dinner kami. Kasi nga diba, anniversary namin ni Daddy Mike on the 20th, which 3 days ago. So wala kaming ginawa kasi we waited for today. So nakapag-book na si Daddy Mike ng restaurant for tonight, 6:45. Yeah, bibili lang kami ng dinner ng mga kids, tapos si Ma'am Karen dito. And yeah, we'll go out. It's going to be really, really exciting, guys. You know, I don't know the feeling anymore like sitting down, eating meal, like, you know, back when, you know, kami lang dalawa ni Daddy Mike. So, it's going to be really, really exciting. Ilang beses ko na bang na-mention ang word na exciting? So, ayan, yung jacket ng mga kids. Dahil natin jacket. Kasi it's overcast today. Walang araw. So, dahil natin just in case nag-ginaut. Alam nyo ba, I forgot my high heels. I'm so upset na naiwan ko yung high heels ko, guys. Kasi yun sana yung i-prepare ko sa dress ko tonight para nga sa dinner namin na Daddy Mike. You know, it's very, very special. Alam nyo naman yan. And, yeah. Unfortunately, I forgot. Nandito na sila. So, I'll just make do. Suotin ko na lang yung aking sneakers. Ito yung jacket ko, guys. Nakapag pala ako. Ayan, sneakers tapos skirt na... Ang tawag dito? Yung skirt na maxi skirt. Dito na sila. Let them in. Ay, nalagyan namin dito kasi baby sila. Welcome home.
Paris has decided to stay and have coffee.
Oh,
okay. She met some really nice people, and so she said, "Lola, I'm just going to
stay there.
Coffee.
Okay.
I'm going to go shopping with these people."
Oh, we'll go pick her up there later.
All right. Yeah, she's just at that little van.
Oh, okay. There you are. I thought you're not here. I thought you went for a little shopping. Hi.
I was hiding behind the pram.
You hide real good, don't you?
Yeah. I always find the best spot to hide.
Tingnan yung outfit na super cute. Auntie Juju, what happened to your hair? Headband. Baby, look, look. Don't take it off. Oh,
That's all right, Mum.
we're here. Oh, we're blessed with this weather, huh?
Yes.
At least it's not raining. Ooh, what's that, Paris?
It's a flower that I made.
Flower that you made? Baby Celine and Daddy, oh. Allah. Gonna go upstairs, guys. Up there. Look, it looks dangerous though. Is that a person? No, it's not. I thought it's a real woman.
Oh, I don't know.
I think like a statue or something.
Could be. Doesn't move for a while.
Say hello.
Hi.
Looks very nice, guys. Look. Oh, this view. They're here. Family. Dito guys. Dito kami, ano daw, whale watching. So, yeah. You don't really know kung may whale, but maybe. May mga nagsisurf sa baba. But minsan daw merong whale talaga dito. Siguro kung sortihin tayo. Lini, what happened to your headband, anak?
Huh?
What happened to your headband?
Have some sushi?
You want some sushi?
What's
Sushi?
he scared of it?
Not there? I think it's inside the plastic. Oh, very nice here, guys. Picnic, picnic for my time. What is that?
It's Anna.
Anna? Is that Anna? That one is very sharp. Give Mama a kiss. Yan, bumili si Daddy Mike ng pie, guys. We'll have some
Careful.
pie. And then, bumili siya ng
Be careful, Paris.
sushi for him. And Ate Paris having ham and cheese croissant.
I'm going to win.
No big deal.
Oh?
I want more. B, you love the cheetos? Yummy.
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like them.
Really? Oh, yummy.
But I do.
But you're doing really well with your croissant.
I don't like them, but I do eat them.
Super nice, guys. Lumabas si Haring Araw. My goodness.
I don't like them, but I eat them.
Okay, you don't have to like it, sweetheart.
Mama.
Yes. Yes. Do you want water? Let's go get water. Come. Here. Water. We have water. Here you go.
Cheers.
Open. Careful.
But the book is still coming in my eye.
The what?
It's bright. Wow.
You finished? There's more there, Tio.
Finished?
I don't want to
You
eat.
wanna go upstairs, Lily? Lily, you wanna go walking?
Mommy, can I still have my treat?
Yeah, of course. We'll go up and then you can have your treat up
Because
there.
I don't want that one.
Okay.
I'll have that one a little bit later.
Alright, let's go.
Come on,
A little bit.
baby girl.
Do you
Do you want to go up there? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Should I put the stuff back in the car?
Which one?
These. I'll put them back in the car and come back. I'll run.
Oh, the food. Yeah.
Yeah, now, give me the... Oh! Jovi tasting the famous cheese and bacon pie from Ballina.
From where?
Ballina.
You said Balan.
No, Ballina. Come. Give me your best Mark Weens.
Are you eating this?
I am after.
Oh,
Is that better than Tito Jamie's?
I think I like Jamie's better.
Okay. Well, you didn't eat that fresh, so. You didn't eat that fresh? Yeah.
I like the other food. Yes. We're going up, guys. It's the stairs then. So we can see more down there.
No, I wanted this one because it's not the big one.
Yes.
Because I like this. Wow.
Oopsie. Is that right? Okay, come on. See? Sobrang ganda, di ba, guys? Sana yun siya madilim. It's too bright kasi. Madilim sa camera. Kampi. You right? Maybe put it that way so you can see. Quick, Mama will follow you.
What's after 14 miles?
15.
15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. Whew. Yan, see? Better view.
25, 26.
Yeah. There's another one there. Oh, there's another one there. Come. See? Ah, there's more there. So look, nagubat. Hala. Look at this. Forest, honey. Forest.
Is it a real forest?
Mm-hmm. Lenny. It's gonna be a nice walk here. Wag lang gabi. Is it turkey, Bob?
Bye. Bye.
Oh, she's gonna give it to you now, Ate. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
It's
on,
turkey, mate.
How that is that?
Where is this heading to?
Oh, well, find out.
Let's go carrot.
She's walking.
Oh, there's more there. Wow, layo na nalakad namin, ha? Oh, that looks nice there. Lenny.
Mommy.
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 Look.
Mommy.
Beautiful.
Mommy, stop.
Have a look, Mom. They've got like that lock thingy like they have in Korea, Mom. This one, the lock thingy that they have in Korea, like love, you know.
Oh yeah, they have that in Paris too.
Mama,
It's really famous on this bridge.
can
Yeah.
you have it? Mike, can you save it for me?
Look at Lenny.
I want to save
Bob,
it.
have a look at Lenny. Oh no.
Oh no.
Is Lenny okay? Her face. Is Lenny okay?
Is Lenny strong?
Alright.
Wow. Call the eagle lang.
It's very big.
Going far.
Mommy,
Yes.
So graceful.
Mama, I go. Mommy.
That's so cool, guys.
Mommy.
Yes. Celine is flying like an eagle.
Oh, it's flying.
Bigger here.
Beautiful
pretty big.
view.
Oh, the beach is down there. I know.
Come on, Lynn.
Go follow Ate. Oh, it's beautiful. Yung maglola, oh. Nauna na. Hey, that's a rock.
I can walk. I can see a whale.
Oh, so green.
No carrot. I see a whale.
Where?
Stay here, anak. Hi guys! It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon. Madilim na sa labas. So, nakauwi na kami. Si mami niyo ay nakapagbihis na rin. So, alis kami ni Daddy Mike, di ba, for our dinner date tonight. Oh my goodness. So, Daddy Mike and Ma'am Karen, umalis na sila guys para bumili ng dinner nila ng mga kids dito. Tapos, para mabigyan din ako ng time na mag-ready. Actually, wala naman ako ginawang iba, kundi yung aking hair lang guys. Sinuklay ko lang. So, ganito lang yung hair ko. Uy, today, well tonight, yan, straight lang siya. Ganyan lang siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan yung bangs ko eh. Tapos, yun lang. At alam nyo ba guys, I am very, very upset kasi nakalimutan ko ang aking high heels, guys, for tonight. So, ito yung suot ko na dress kasi maginaw sa labas. So, you know, I'm wearing something na long sleeve. Ano pa rin siya? Ang tawag dito? Mini dress, pero long sleeve, tapos makapal. Pero, yun na nga, nakalimutan ko ang aking high heels. So, you know what I'm doing? I'm just gonna wear my white sneakers kasi lalakarin lang namin ni Daddy Mike yung restaurant guys from here. So, you know, sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's going to be like romantic, holding hands while walking down the street. Ganun. So, yun yung gagawin namin. So, ready na ako. Yung gagawin ko lang ngayon ay ito, paplansyahin ko yung pants ni Daddy Mike tsaka yung kanyang shirt. Para pagbalik niya, what's the time? Yeah, pagbalik niya dito ay makakaalis na kami. Voila! Yan na ang final look ni mami nyo. Nag-change ako ng damit, guys, kasi I don't know, it didn't feel like I feel good about that dress. Yes, I was warm with that dress, but I feel like this is more like a date night vibe. Especially kasi ito yung first date night namin ni Daddy Mike for so many years. So, you know, love us ang cleavage. Bongga. So, dress pala to siya guys. Pero denim dress siya. Tapos, nagdala naman ako ng trench coat. So, I can wear a coat over it. So, maganda pa rin siya tingnan. Diba? I think this is better than the other one. Okay. So, I'll show you the whole thing. Bumagay naman siya sa aking white sneakers, guys. So, I'm happy about that. Meron tayong pa-belt, guys, para hindi dito siya bumaba. So, yung aking hair ay ganyan ko lang, guys. Tapos, ito siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong short. I'll show you yung length ng ating dress. Ayan. So, aking sneakers kasi naiwan ang ating heels. So, yun yung ating suot. So, still perfect pa din. I like this one kasi meron siyang pa-slit. Ayan, sa likuran. Tapos, yung bag natin. Love this bag. This goes with everything. Pang date night. And then, pag nasa labas na kami, I love this trench coat kasi giant button yung kanyang pa-details dyan. So, it's gonna look. Ayan, ready na si mami nyo. I'm super excited, guys. Bongga. At binunggahan ko ang ating dito, ang tawag dito, guys? Contour, kasi gabi naman siya. So, ayan. Diba? Contour na contour si mami nyo dyan. Tapos, I'm very happy with my lashes at the moment. May ginagamit pala akong serum, guys. Ayan, so hindi siya very, Ayan. Oh. Sino ka dyan? Tapos, plakadong-plakado ang kilay natin dyan, oh. Bongga. So, ayan. Bababa na tayo, guys, kasi yung mga kids kumakain na sila ng dinner. Mommy is ready, so I'm just gonna wait for Daddy now. We'll see you again soon. Oh my God.
Mama's nervous.
Mama's nervous. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, nervous daw siya, guys. Parang naulit ako. Parang na binata at dalaga ulit ba?
Mama is shy.
Mama
It's the first time she's been on a date in about 3 years.
Yes.
She's a little bit nervous.
Bob, come on. You just said it before. It's you who's nervous.
She's also feeling a bit guilty.
Yeah, I'll take that. I'm feeling guilty. Kasi yung mga kids ba, naiwan. Para hindi na ako sanay. But I'm not nervous. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, nervous.
You should be.
Oh. Alam niyo ba guys, I don't know where we're going.
There may be another baby.
So Daddy Mike booked the restaurant and it's a surprise for me. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. But all I know is it's not far from here kasi lalakarin lang namin. Alam niyo ba, pinili ko rin na malapit para just in case yung mga kids makakauwi ako ng mabilis. Yeah. How do you feel, Daddy? Pasensya na guys ha, madilim kasi naglalakad kami.
How do I feel?
Yeah, how do I feel? How do you feel?
Turned on.
Buang. Ang dilim-dilim. Tingnan niyo ang daan ha. Oh. Malapit na naman town center. Andyan na. You feel good that finally we're able to have dinner together?
Yes.
Just the two of us again?
Yes. I can't wait for dinner. I can't wait for dessert. What are you laughing for?
Buti na lang guys, may jacket ako guys. Aren't you cold, Daddy?
I'm hot.
Oh, I can't remember the last time talaga guys na nag-dinner kami with Daddy Mike kami lang. Sabi ko nga sa mama niya, I'll feel weird when I eat and I don't have like the kids with me. Para nasanay ako ba na hindi ako kakain ng mabuti kasi yung mga kids na. But
She
this will
feels
be
weird.
the first time.
Like when she's not eating and Selena's not sucking on her boob.
Yes.
So I'll do it for you.
Buang.
Hey guys, this is Russ
Uy. Oh, they're so sweet guys. Binigyan nila kami ito. Happy anniversary daw. Happy anniversary. Pa ito siya guys, walang alcohol. Kaya sabi ko hindi ako may inom. So ayan, kay Daddy Mike is the wine. Para after our dinner guys, nandito kami sa shop, like souvenir shop across the restaurant. Bili lang kami ng ayan for the fridge, and then kaming Uno card. Maglalaro kami. The dinner was good. Did you like the food, Daddy? Yeah, the dinner was
Very yummy.
lovely. Yeah, love it. Love the food, but love the company.
Love the company.
Asa naman itong tindiraan niya? Eh, hindi. Layas man. It's ice cream time. I'm gonna get Rocky Road.
Hey, good, how are you?
Oh, that. Have a look at this thing. Nutella Oreo cheesecake. Oh, they got coconut.
Yeah, look at that.
I think I like the chocolate. Is that gelato there?
Yeah.
Hi, can I have a small Rocky Road, please? I'll have a cone, thank you.
I have a small in a cup. Stick it out.
Stick it out. This one?
Yeah.
Oof.
Alright. Am I good?
Thank you.
And I have in a cup. I just have a scoop of the sticky bait.
Tastes like raisin bread.
It's hard being 6 foot.
Ice cream na kami, guys. Okay. Maglalakad na kami pa uwi. What time na? 8 o'clock?
Dad choose right?
Mm-hmm.
As in dad choose like the right ice cream shop.
Yeah. Do you think Celine is asleep now? Probably they're still playing. We'll see.
Parents might have fallen asleep.
Hi. Where's Lily? You still awake? I miss you.
I did.
What does that mean?
I gave up.
You had fun? Was it good?